Hi, my name's Mike Fisher. The reason I'm here today is to very briefly talk about my experience of the training I did with Leah Kalo regarding LinkedIn and learning how to promote myself on LinkedIn. So the important thing to note here is I'm completely dyslexic and I'm a very, very slow learner. But my experience of Leah was that she was very patient. She went through the steps very, very slowly. What I didn't understand, she was able to slow it all down for me and break it into little pieces so I could actually understand it, then, of course, apply it. The problem that I have, of course, is that even when I understand how to do it, sometimes I get quite lost in the process. However, what I experienced is when I did reach out to Leah, she made herself available, she gave me her time, and of course she was very patient with me because ultimately that's what I need. Primarily I'm a very slow learner, but I'm a very thorough learner. But when it comes into LinkedIn, for somebody like myself, it's fairly complex. So if you are one of those individuals, you'll actually find working with Leah very useful. Her PowerPoint presentations are brilliant. The way she explains things in its most simplest form is brilliant. And, I'm very happy with the work that I did with Leah. And of course, it's helped me hugely to expand my network on LinkedIn. And it's something that I'm working with and something that I'm applying. So, what I would recommend is if you have any hesitancy, by all means, test drive Leah. And if you're happy with what she offers, well then, employ her to train you up and of course do some work with you. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.